Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today I'm doing another hot sauce review from the hot ones. We're doing, today it's called Small Lax Peppers Habanero Mango Hot Sauce. I don't know how hot it is. You know, I've been pretty impressed with these community garden peppers, but I'm gonna find out exactly how hot this one is. The habanero mango sounds intriguing. Today I have my favorite banchan. I'll put this over here so you can see that. Banchan, I have a Korean taco with chicken, and then I have, of course, banchan regular chicken. This is gonna be a little spicy already, so I'm hoping that it will kick up the spice of this, and we're gonna try this out. Like I said, I've been pretty impressed with the community garden hot sauces. This says this hot sauce is made with peppers grown in community gardens throughout the United States. It says to date we have several thousand pounds of locally fresh produced peppers. Your purchase directly supports the gardens and gardeners who grow peppers from hot sauces. To learn more and find a garden near you, go to smalllaxpeppers.com, community plus gardens plus love. And they said the heat index on this is actually 4 out of 5. So that means it should be pretty hot. Again, it's a habanero mango, and we'll see. It says apple cider vinegar, habanero peppers, balsamic gum, onions, mango, and blood orange, and tamarind. So we'll see what it's like. I think it'll be hot, not sure. All right, so now we're gonna shake it, and then we're gonna test it. Let's start with the taco first, because I know the taco is not hot at all. So we're gonna start with that first. Because I'm not sure exactly how hot it is, I only put a little bit. Because we don't want to mess myself up. All right, you ready? Proof is in the pudding. It doesn't seem very hot. I think we got to go for Gus. For all you young people out there, that's Gusto. Very tasty, very tasty. In terms of heat, at least with this, and maybe all the taco stuff is masking the taste, but I'm not detecting the heat, so I'm not sure. Like I said, I could be wrong, but you saw how much hot sauce I used. It just wasn't very hot. Again, habaneros have a distinct taste, which I can taste. I can taste the habanero flavor. It's very floral, it's very fruity. There is a slight tingling of heat, but not. We're gonna try it directly though. Like I said, the smell is very nice, very tropical. It smells like the Caribbean. But in terms of heat, not so much. It tastes more sweet than heat. So it's a really kind of pleasant, it's a pleasant hot sauce. Like you could definitely marinate some chicken in this. And you can get this, like I said, from the hot ones, but you can get this from local hot sauce shops. I think I've even seen this in some of like the Trader Joe type specialty grocery stores. So it's not hard to get. It's nice. I mean, with this chicken, it's good. Because it's not hot, at least for me, like, so we're gonna scale it out. On a scale from 1 to 10, I think it's about a 2, maybe a 3, maybe 2.5. In terms of taste, it's about an 8. The mango just makes it seem so tropical. It's so nice. And the habanero, I mean, it's. I wish it was a little hotter. Then you would truly feel like the habanero coming through, but it's outstanding. I like it a lot. Now, because of how sweet it is, I think you would have the tendency of using more of this sauce. So you would go through this pretty quickly, because you'd use a lot of it. 1, because it's not hot. 2, is kind of sweet and nice. So you probably end up using a lot of it. So it's probably better if you bought this to use it as a marinade. on your chicken. You can use it as a kind of a mix for a barbecue sauce. So you'd have a sweet, mango-y, slightly spicy barbecue sauce. But I like it. No complaints. I definitely say you should try it. The community gardens, folks, like I said, I have not been disappointed with community gardens. Their sauces are all nice, fresh. The taste combinations are kind of cool. I would say if you're looking for super hot, this is not going to be the one for you. About a 2 on the heat scale, 8 for taste, because it's very nice. It's a very pleasant, very floral and fruity because of the mango taste. The combination is good. The tastes are fairly complex, and all in all, not too bad for what you get. That being said, I ask you hit the like button for the algorithm. Hit that notification bell so you see when my new videos come out. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. Let me know in the comments below if there are other hot sauces you want me to try, or if you've tried this one before. I'd like to hear about it. And again, subscribe and like below. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.
Subscribe right below.